All right, we're in Allentown, Pennsylvania, and my buddy Mikey. Mike P has an amazing setup. A little bit of Ives ramp walkers, trains, oddities.
Yeah.
AC Williams Zephyr.
You wanted 300 for that?
I would have thought, but
They still everything online now. Exactly the same. It's like it.
I'll see you tomorrow. Okay.
Check it out.
Mike, wave, say hi.
What's up, buddy?
Say hi. So this is the George Brown sketchbook of the Excelsior, and I think that was torn.
Yes.
Where this toy is complete, but go ahead and tell us.
Well, according to what I've read about the sketchbook, each
Right.
one of these toys were actual sketches of real toys.
Okay.
So their artist, maybe George Brown himself, I don't know. When they penned this, the boat that they had a torn decal. So it would say that there were actually 3 that were made, at least. This one.
1, 2, and the ladies are different. This
Yes,
is a
different.
proper lady. That almost looks like a nymph, frankly. And when I call her a nymph, you almost wonder if it was censored.
Well,
And the third lady, have you figured out if she's a princess or possibly
I
an
think
American?
they use different decals on different toys, and I think she just had a big stock of decals.
Yeah.
Puts it in the fill the space. So,
Yep. And George Brown on the sketch ends up saying, "Giant riverboat Excelsior, one of the principal wonders of the Brown toy world. This ornate model was given number 187, but no record of it found existing." So you realize when this was done, which is what, 75 or so,
yeah.
when this giant tome was made, they found no record of this existing. It's one of the few toys to include a lithographic illustration. So the illustration of the lady on the torn label, and it may have been too luxurious for sale at the time. So here's Mark. Mark's found that indeed it's so luxurious that the only person that could afford it spent the sum of 4 acres and could have gotten, well, it was the 0.001 percentile.
It's in top 1/10 of 1%.
That's amazing.
As far as actual wealth.
Beautiful. This needs to be in a museum. Cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. We have Mark Olympio's booth with amazing Americana. And it doesn't just excel, it's Excelsior. This is one of the most documented toys out there. Most talked about finds. Brown, from the Brown sketchbook. Amazing. Don't buy your car, buy the Excelsior.